gonna smear multigrain bread, nicely smeared with butter, nicely spread, and I want to use a cast iron pan. And I'm gonna toast the butter. I'm gonna toast the bread with butter face down first, and then I'm just gonna let it sear for a few minutes, enough to get nice and golden crispy. And then I'm gonna go ahead and flip it the other way. Now a couple of minutes are been done, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. So it's nice and crispy. And I'm just gonna toast it for at least another minute. Now we're gonna use a nice ripe avocado. And also on our toast, I'm gonna wrap the toast with a piece of garlic all around, nice and even. This one will give a nice garlic flavor on avocado toast. You have to do this, rubbing the garlic over the toast right after you toast your bread. While it's hot, it will absorb more of the garlic flavor in your toast. I'm gonna spread the avocado over the toast, and of course the toast can be it doesn't need to be a whole grain toast. You can also use a sourdough toast or any of your preference. It's nice and even. I'm gonna add some black pepper, some salt. Now to make a little spicy, I'm adding a fresh serrano pepper. I know this is more spicy than a jalapeno, but when it becomes an avocado toast, I like to make it a little spicy. Nicely and thin. Then now also I'm adding some cilantro on my toast. Then also I'm adding some goat cheese. And also adding some extra virgin olive oil. And also adding some lime zest. And the last thing I'm adding is some sesame, roasted or toasted sesame seeds. And there it is. Some healthy avocado toast that it's easy and simple to make, that it doesn't take too long to take it anywhere on the road or try to get a healthy breakfast meal before the day starts. This is a good option. I mean the avocado toast itself is just, of course, the toast and the avocado, and then of course the option ingredients as the serrano, cilantro, goat cheese, and olive oil. But I mean as simple as always good, but adding extra things, I think it changed the whole dynamic of just a simple avocado toast. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you again for watching.